What is that?
It's the instruction.
Instruction.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me read the box. For age 6 and above. How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
I see.
Oh, instruction tayo video. Oh, journal of this one.
Oh, okay, has splash pad. That's why we really need for.
Happy.
Eh? 4 sides. The side, can you do it yourself?
Wow. Ayun.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. But never mind, we don't need that anyway.
Don't need that for the moment, right?
Yeah.
Yay! What's that? Wow, sparkling stickers. Oh, they are kids. Clouds, best friends. Best friend. Hey, sparkling one eh.
But let me see the box.
The box. This is the box.
The book says that this one is not meant to be good, to be a one.
Oh, it's okay lah. Hopefully, we don't use it, right?
Yeah, this should be a that. Papa, here the sticker. That one, puppy pig.
Okay, you take out this one. Later, I help you to put this.
Why do I have to do this one?
You want to do or you don't want? You don't feel like?
I don't know.
Okay, let's see
not
every
sure.
item first. This is the puffy pig.
Yeah, you take out the gel pen. So awesome.
Don't have the button.
因为你的衣服会排空的。
No.
他喜欢，他喜欢你还带一个手机，他很喜欢。
Ice cream unicorn. No.
No, oh, unicorn. The unicorn make the sound. Hey. Shooting star, right?
Yeah.
What is that?
This one.
Let me have a touch. Oh, so nice.
You're supposed to put it on. I mean, your journal. It's supposed to be put here.
Is it toothpaste?
Toothpaste. No, I'm going to brush it.
Eh.
I'm going to take it now to brush. Oh, so cute. Oh, me.
What is that?
Oh, it's the crystal Hashim. I think we're supposed to put inside.
Oh. Oh, yes.
And here are the keys. And the yacht.
And the wall. Small key?
Yeah. Just kidding. It's not. You cannot
Or
use
just the decoration, right?
Yeah.
Scarlett, see?
But I hate it.
Why? Ooh.
No, Mama, look at this. Yeah, the behind and Mama one touch.
Aww. So nice. So sparkling,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
Kids love sparkling.
Yeah. Bedazzle. Oh no, I'm
Oh.
gonna
Wow, so nice eh.
Ice cream. I bet you get ice cream.
This key and the lock really could work.
I'm not sure. Maybe. Wow. It's yours. Wow, so my god. Mama, just open it and see what happens. Both of them are tagged together. So how to get everything?
Let me have a try.
Mama,
Let me see. Let me have a look. I don't.
Oh, Mama will design the cover.
Oh, you first. You have to take out the key first.
What? Have to take out the key one.
Mm.
Oh, Mama here the green gal pen is your favorite color. Oh. How to open now?
What are you asking? I'm taking out the key. Ta-ta! I take out one of the key. You try to unlock it.
Oh, this one's real clear.
Yes.
Wait, still your.
Let me try.
No, wait. There's something attached here. We have to unlock this thing now. Give me the key.
Why? Let me see.
I know.
You have to remove this lock, my dear.
Oh, how do
You open.
Here?
Yes.
Is it, which side is it? I tried one side already. Oh. I
Okay,
think
then take out the lock. Do you know how to take out the lock?
how to take out.
Okay, let me
I don't know how to take
teach
out.
you.
Isn't it?
Let me show you.
Oh, wait, hole.
You see from the screen.
I'm just going to show you how to write. I'm going to take these. Shooting.
See the sound then? You see this is open. Then take out. Slowly take out then.
Okay. What? You took out
Yeah.
both key. Oh my god. Wait. Mama. Oh, no trespassing, huh?
No trespassing. What do you mean no trespassing?
This journal belongs to autograph. 아니요, autograph. Okay. Oh, Mom.
Wow, so nice. Colorful.
Whoa. Must. Oh, both stone, huh? Okay, that doesn't matter. What? This is my family tree, yeah?
Do you know what is family tree?
Yeah, you are, wait, you want something at this? Oh, Mom, you can want something here.
Yeah.
So long. Wait, this one's secret, you cannot see, ah?
Can you see?
Just use this thing for cover.
Cover what?
Camera or one you need.
Can I have a look? You haven't write anything yet.
Please, no trespassing and ask permission.
Can I
Okay.
read together? I want to see. You haven't write anything, right?
Yeah. Wait, I think I missed a page.
Don't you just put your read together? You can read from outside.
A short story. You can write story here. Whoa! Wow, so long one. Mama, what? You and the film is drawing for happy snaps there. Oh my god.
So amazing.
Kind of, what is the name? How do I bubble from now? Wait, it's until 50, eh? $50. What? No, again? Oh, wait, you can carry it here.
Nice.
Wait, where's the unicorn page?
Slowly find out.
Wait, happy snacks, no again. See many. Mama, look, sneaker freak. Why else did we freak out?
I don't know.
What do you call a pile of kittens? A mountain.
A mountain.
Yeah. What time does that wake up? At the crack of dawn. Why was dog sweating so much? She was a hot dog.
Hot dog.
Where do counts go for fun? The movies. What do you call them singing? A ballerina. Bear. Where do rabbits go after the wedding? On the bunny moon.
Bunny moon.
Is the bunny moon? What do you call a horse that lives next door? A neighbor. Done. Wait, doodle page. This is doodle page. So doodle page.
Doodle page. Banding.
What's this one?
Banding.
Oh, it's a flag.
Hey.
You can decorate this house if you
Yeah, design it your own way.
Wait, my dream. Mama,
So amazing, right?
yeah. Mama.
Let's make some postcards.
Oh, I have to cut this thing out, yeah. I don't want to.
We can design it and just keep it up.
Wait, this is not.
Oh, you can cut it out.
Oh, there are two.
Give it to your friends, your family.
Oh, you can draw. You can draw behind that tree.
Yes. I see
A
the
unicorn.
I love books. Yeah, this is exactly you.
Hello, I only like fiction.
You only like fiction.
My favorite book, the last book I read, the book I want to read, my favorite author, my favorite character. I have all the authors I can choose. Oh, wait, I have to write an autograph. Why? Why? What? What's on the box? What box? What box? Why you say box? Why? Why? Dear diary. Not again.
Why?
I've seen this picture thousands of times.
You can write your own story there.
Oh, my dream outfit.
Wow.
You have to use the puffy pin to draw it actually.
Puffy paint.
Where's the puffy pin now? Puffy pin has gone missing. Wait, it's not there.
No?
This is designer tab. Ah! Your fish.
What this? Then what are you going to paste?
It is all those decorations.
Alright. So you're going to wear the ice cream as the underwear?
Oh, yours. No, yours.
Ice cream? Underwear?
Stop! You won't want this shooting star to be the underwear.
Eh? You are special.
Today I'm saying, of course, every day I feel happy. Hello, I'm still so cool.
So cool.
Oh, yay! Today's weather is rain, go away. Scarlett wants to a little friend. Scarlett wants to play. Sunny sky. It's so hot today. Oh, the clouds coming again. Wait, what? Oh, cloudy.
Cloudy.
Thunder. Boom! Okay, and of course everybody's favorite. A rainbow.
Wow, so many hearts.
No, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Okay.
Why do I have to be anyone?
If I could be anyone for one day, I would be because you can write your own things.
Yeah. You can draw a portrait.
You like drawing, right?
And how come there are so many kinds? Well, what 10 things are we have to achieve this year? Yes, do this! See. Write down funny joke or make up your own joke. What?
Precious memories.
Yeah, I just go through your just now. What?
Similar page. This.
Okay.
My top 10 places I would like to visit.
Our first thing of all is Japan.
Japan.
I think I'll put Yakuyan here at Disney Park. I don't know what I'll do.
Oh, you want to go to Disneyland?
Mama will design the tea. Oh, it's a t-shirt. What? In the future, I predict it's the magic of. And look at this one. And I want to be my mode of transport will be I'll never have to. I'll never have to see anymore. Because I'm a monster.
Why you don't like?
Hey, yo, we are the flowers. Can you decide what name are there or what the animal name?
My name is yes. You can decide your name by yourself.
I wonder what. Oh my god. Music and me, my favorite song, my favorite band, my favorite solo singer, I love to sing. Who song always gets stuck in my head. The best song, the best. Okay. My band will be called. My band members will be. We will play. Our first hit single will be called. Our biggest song will be. We'll hang out about the band cry.
Oh, this book is really amazing.
Yes, I just. It is actually not a radio. You see it. Okay. Good. And what about your dream and the picture for my dream? What is still more?
Could you remember your dream?
Of course, I couldn't remember. So serious. Look at this.
This or that.
Rain or shine, puppies or kitties, burgers or sushi mice, cupcakes or donuts, fairies or mermaids. I don't know which one to choose from. The beach, mountain sail, across the beach. This one's too scary already. Monster trucks or convertibles. This one's so cool.
Comfortable.
Wait, look at what? You can make an apron. Oh, wait, it's an owl. What you read on the opposite page? Which opposite page? Oh.
Are you okay? Itchy eyes.
To make a print start with.
Oh, okay.
To make your print start with the. Why I say water wheel?
Okay.
Okay, wait. Wow. And. Ooh.
Wow.
Or you can write a note here actually.
Yes.
Just write someone. It's a go to it. It's a every day. Oh, it's our here again.
Hour again. Today
Why you said you have to schedule it? I woke up. Today I woke up. Actually, I don't know why.
It's okay.
Today was something I did today. What I really do it for the same day. I was like, just come to the picture. Wait.
Happy snacks.
And I'm going to sing again. I just passed this page.
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Why is it
What is the superpower?
I don't know what it is, but I think I would like to do this superhero. Me is superhero. Let's try. Wait, Wait, not yet. What? Some fun facts about me.
I do not like to sleep.
Stop.
Okay.
Stop. That's not true.
That's not true.
See this one? My happiest memory, something that makes me laugh. My nickname. What's my nickname?
This is? What is your nickname? Tell me.
Cutie pie.
Eh?
Okay, my favorite snack to make. I don't know how to make it. What did you instead?
Eh?
My favorite time of the year. I'm very good at. I didn't throw a walk to you must the better, but gosh. Wait, what am I doing? I'm scared of. Oh, I'm scared of the gosh. Oh, my honey, my high beast. I don't know what's my high.
110.
100.1.
105 cm.
What? Okay. I'm scared of my slipper. Wait. I don't know whether it will be something that I'm proud of. If our animal, I will be a fish. The city I was born in. Yeah.
Singapore.
What?
You were born in Singapore.
I got your coloring pictures. I think. How
Yes,
many?
you love coloring.
Wait. Aw, so cute.
Dear diary.
There's a lot of these. You see? There's a lot of these. How to finish? Oh, it's the end.
Yay.
Yay! Bye bye. Wait, why did I say bye bye? So now what do we do?
Okay.
Oh,
Yes.
but I'm back. Okay. Mama, there's actually a thing. Mama, actually we could still post this on YouTube.
You want?
No, because there's a private mode. Where where I share with everybody, you're at the private mode. I think it's safe. And this one is you should come on. Oh, how do I have to do the same or just
You could design it by your own. Okay.
How do I do it now? I'm not sure how to do this.
You just, Scarlett, don't let it.
Papa, you say sister like this, but I don't know how to do that. I hate
Okay, have you
smoke.
arranged?
No, yeah, it's still considered I am cute. Wait, where's the sticker? I usually use up more stickers because the decoration is not enough.
The sticker maybe at later stage. You try to put all these things first.
So I don't want. But this crystal so nice. We wish I got it. They still look so weird.
Up to you.
Yeah, that was just a snake. So sorry. Excuse me. I don't use three of these things. Except the unicorn. I hate the unicorn.
Why do you hate it?
Why?
You
Because
say so. I thought you love it. Okay, so
I know you're done.
okay.
Of course I'm not going to do that. Wait, actually it's very weird.
Why?
But what side do you add that? If you add a piece of the table, go there, go like this. Okay. Boom, just go by. To the house. Then I'm going to this one. Oh. I think I use up all the decorations.
It's okay. You can put some of them first. Next time, then put again. But remember, follow the instruction after
I'm done. I think decoration.
done. But how about this part? It's so empty.
Yeah, I don't use up the decorations for this one.
Okay.
There's something behind.
Is it? Let me have
It's frosted. I think it's frosted. I'm not going to add that. I already have one here. This one is one of the eyes so crazy. Oh, it's the eye. Oh,
Oh, it's like that. Just stick on because it's sticky. See if just stick on to the place you want.
Where's the crazy donut? The crazy donut.
You want it?
It's
You
so
push
crazy.
it out by yourself, just like the sticker pad. Is it sticky enough? Oh, they are quite sticky.
I think we need some more.
Up to you. What is that? It's
It's a-
like a butterfly, right?
No flower. This is a butterfly.
Oh, I see. Enough?
No, not enough.
Not enough.
This one looks sticky.
Not sticky.
Oh, it's sticky.
Cannot take out anymore, okay?
Okay, I'm just gonna add. I just have to add one more here. Rather, I want some of that. Wait, actually, this one is a transparent pad. It's transparent pad.
Can see through.
I can see. Which one you want to add up? I'm out of DIY what sticker to add with you. Wait. Is it okay if I want to leave the doggy or is this just forever? Because there's nothing here. It looks weird.
How about the kitten?
A kitten, but I want a kitten.
How about the ribbon?
The ribbon, I also want it has a high here.
How about the owl?
I also want the best friend.
Okay.
But
Or you want the butterfly?
I want the butterfly.
The rainbow.
I want the rainbow.
Okay, then it's okay. Just leave it blank there. Why not?
But I want to fill out every spot, so only have this crystal heart. This looks weird. I'm going to add the key here, why not?
Yes. Yes. Okay?
Stop.
It's okay.
Stop.
Why?
I'm done.
Okay. Do it one by one from top.
To back, to down, how to say? The bottom.
Okay, first this one.
This eye.
Able to
Can
squeeze
you
out?
teach me how to say?
Or which part? You just put it here. Just squeeze onto the book. Here, right?
Yeah, this.
Here, huh? Wait, So I put here, okay?
Okay. Just cover the pink heart shape. No, that pink. Wait, actually, what looks like the icing of the baby on the cake?
Yeah, the cake, right? Just please put it on top. Okay, okay, okay. Not too hard. Okay, like this. Okay, then don't touch it.
Can you stick the piece there?
Don't try yourself. It's okay.
How about this thing? Wait, is that the bring arrow here?
You want to try it yourself? You squeeze a little bit, not too much. Are you making cake?
I'm not sure I'm making a donut cake. Is that enough?
Some more, a little bit more. It's okay. Yeah, you try.
It's enough. No, it's enough. Oh, it's too little bit too little.
Okay, don't move it. Don't move it. Okay.
The whip is going to be like this. Somewhere else.
This one seems like
Similar one.
not enough. Put a little bit more.
Okay.
Okay. Then
Wait, the mouth also have it.
it's okay. This one, do you want to squeeze some more? Yeah, same
I
like.
think it's used. Oh!
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, you try to do it. Put on top of it. It's okay. Oh, so nice.
I
Okay,
think I too much.
it's okay.
Wait, how about this ice cream?
You squeezed. You want to squeeze by yourself? Which board? No, not need so big. Just a tiny dot will do. Okay? Okay.
Looks so cute.
Okay.
This baby
No need.
How about this thing?
Okay.
How to add up?
Yeah, this one a bit.
Wait, why don't we just add that is the one?
Here.
Wait. You don't have this right?
It's okay.
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Put.
It's okay because the glue is in purple. Okay. Okay.
It looks like icing. You know this one?
How about
How about ice cream?
this one? You forgot about it.
Oh. Right here, this empty spot, this empty purple spot.
You try to do yourself.
Wait, is that it?
Yeah. Oops.
Never mind. Can you get tissue?
Can you read? Right. Okay, you paste it. Then use the tissue.
Matcha latte.
Matcha latte.
I know that.
This one is.
Oh.
It's okay. Okay, like this, perfect.
Really good. The glue also goes to the hole.
Which else?
This one is else. You also need a unicorn here. I forgot about them.
This one? Have you done this? Not yet, right? This one, you want to try? This one. Okay. Here, right. Okay. And yeah, the key first, from left to right.
I can't know how to do it. It's so weird. Let me see where that.
Great.
What is unicorn?
Squeeze
I
some more.
want it to be all like this.
Okay. Maybe, let me try.
It's
I
something
push
there.
out. Nah, okay, you squeeze from here, yeah. Press harder.
Too much.
It's okay because the unicorn is big, right? You see? Done. Oh, it's okay.
The glue should go in the one you will not go to another.
Let's try to clean.
This is the side. Yes, use the clean side.
Okay.
This unicorn like this unicorn ready to go.
No, because not yet dried up. Okay, then wait for
24 hours.
yes, they dried up.
Mama, do you want to add the keychain?
Keychain? No need. What? What do you mean keychain? No need to lock it first because we need to wait it dry, right? You haven't write anything. Am I right?
So nobody will have anything to see.
Yes. Okay, that's all.
When I edit, how should I say something?